You guys, this is exactly why they want to ban this book. And this is why they did ban one of her books earlier this summer. Pay very close attention to this video, you guys. See, this is set up just like a natural medicine cabinet. All right, here we go, right here. All right, here we go. It has the ingredients list, and it also has all the instructions, and then it has the dosage, how often you're supposed to take it. You guys read very carefully because there's some things that I can't say on this TikTok or I might take this video down. This really is a must-have for every household.